we're gonna open this bitch and see how this sample came out. Based off the picture, I was low-key a little scared and nervous how this shit was gonna turn out. And I'm low-key excited to put this on at the same time. Because I've been waiting months for this. And oh my gosh. We just opened the fucking package, yeah. That's crazy. I'm even in this situation, opening my first sample piece from my first manufacturer, from a Chinese manufacturer. But as you can tell, it's from China because it has that Chinese shit on it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Here, look at it there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open this bitch up. Let's see what it look like. Whoa. Not too shabby, huh? Euphoric. Yeah, we doing it big out here. It already looks amazing right now. That's number one. Oh, those were the pants. This is the hoodie right here. This shit looks nice. Why don't we go ahead and get these open? Since we touched the pants first, let's go ahead and open the pants first. It's only right. And oh, you don't even need to freaking, wow, you don't even need a, that's fire. Okay. Fucks with it tough. You guys see that? Yes, sir. Oh. Oh, no way. No fucking way. Look at this shit, bro. Alright, let's try this. Let's open this next piece. This is really hot. Let's open this next piece to see what's up. Oof. Oh nah, this is tough ski. This is the jacket. Fuck yeah. Look at that shit, yo. Fuck yeah. No way. This looks... Oh, this is hard as fuck. That's that Starlight, bro. Custom zipper too. Custom star, because we all stars in this motherfucker. Oh, but you talking to the kid though. You talking to the kid though. Oh! I'm kidding. Nah, it's not. It's really fucking bad. You talking to the kid though. This is the full Euphoric fit. I didn't even know I was recording. But this is your Euphoric fit. Honestly though. 10 out of 10. I fucks with it tough, overly. I might need a bigger size for myself because I do like baggy. But this is overly tough. Overly tough. Not too bad for my first clothing brand sample. What do you guys think? Y'all fucking with it? Y'all fucking with it? You see, some on the hoodie, some of them big, some of them small, for real. I fuck with it, bro. I'm in my element right now. I'll catch y'all when the bulk get here though. This shit too trim.